Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun video lined up for you. Finally, we're gonna do the Kobalt 24-volt brushless drill driver with the 6.0 battery against the Ryobi brushless drill driver with the 6.0 battery. I know this is the 4, but the 6 is charging. A lot of good tests for them. We're going with price points, all the different features of these two. So stick around, you're not gonna want to miss this one. Hit that intro. Alright guys, first test. We're going to start off with the speed bore bits. First one we have is the, what is this one? 5/8. I know it's hard to see out here. Full bars on the Kobalt. We're going to start with the 4 amp hour battery. If you can't do it in high speed, then we're going to bump it down to low, and that is your time. Alright, first gear. We'll do 2 holes. Ready? Get set, go. Alright, first we're going to do the non-HP, fully charged up, 5/8. Got in drill mode, starting speed 2, 2 holes, start the clock. Ready, get set, go. Time. Alright, still fully charged up, 2 holes to 3/4. Ready, get set, go. Whoa, the Ryobi having issues. Time. Alright, let's see if the Kobalt can beat it. 2 holes and high. Ready, set, go. Time. Piece of cake for the Kobalt. Wow, this thing's got some power. Bump it up to 1 inch, and these have only been used once, so they're fairly new. We still got 4 bars on high. Here we go. Ready, go. Time. Ryobi, 1 inch on high. Still got 4 full bars. Start the clock. Ready? Go. Time. See, when I put on the HP battery, I feel like the Ryobi will be able to do this. Actually, let's try that right now. Alright guys, got the 6 amp hour battery on here, fully charged up. I know it's hard to see. The 1 inch speed bore bit on high, 2 holes. Ready, get set, go. Time. Now, since the Ryobi was able to do it with the 6.0 battery, let's do it with the Kobalt, see how fast it does. 2 holes on high. Ready, get set, go. Time. Wow, this 6 makes a huge difference from this Kobalt. That's just crazy. Alright, last but certainly not least, we have the 2 1/8 inch doorknob. I call it the doorknob maker because I use this when I put in locks. Down low. Ready, get set, go. Nice. last wood test, we have the 1-inch, 18-inch long auger bit. Got it on drill mode. We'll do this in first gear. Down 1 bar 6. Ryobi can go first. We'll do right, yeah. Ready, get set, go. Time. Kobalt, full bars, 6.0 battery, in low, first gear, 18-inch auger bit. Ready, get set, go. Time. I feel like this Kobalt has way more power than the Ryobi with the 6 amp hour battery on it. Just for fun. Well, there you go, guys. Hope you liked that video. Today's video is we're just doing wood and drilling. We're not doing any masonry or brick work this video. Figured I'd break that into 2 separate videos so it's not freaking 45 minutes long. Now, for the Kobalt, the price point, 99 bucks, you get the tool, a 2 amp hour battery in the bag and the charger at Lowe's, 99 bucks. Not bad. As for the Ryobi price point, I think you get the hammer drill kit is 149, comes with 4 and the rapid charger. Everybody knows that. It's been the same price forever. Sometimes it drops down to 119, 129 at Home Depot. So I feel like the Ryobi was similar to the Kobalt when it had the 6 HP battery. When it had the 4 on it and this had the 4, this blew it out of the water every time. Now, if you were to compare this with the 6 against the Ryobi's HP 6, it'd probably be pretty gosh dang close. Other than a little bit of smoke coming from this thing, I felt like it did really well. It's really comfortable. I like this handle. It's way better than the Ryobi's handle. I feel like this handle is one of the things that killed the Ryobi for me. It's just not comfortable. It's placed too close together, so you're like this, where it should be like this. Like the Kobalt. And removing it is super easy. You just twist the handle a little bit, and it slides off right there on the top. Very slick. Boop. I think that's the only position. Oh no. Can you do it like that? Yeah, you can also put it on the side too. It's got the little clamps for it right there. Now the chuck's got a nice metal chuck. Good knurling on it. Can you guys see that? This part is plastic and the rest of it's metal. So for 100 bucks, I feel like it's pretty good. Again, I'll put links down in the description below if you guys want to help out the channel and buy some of these tools or batteries or even a bit kit. Anything you purchase helps the channel a little bit, and I really appreciate it, guys, because stuff's getting freaking expensive. I just dropped 100 bucks on this battery yesterday just to shoot this video. Every time I film, a plane goes by, some asshole's horn or dog or something. Seriously? Anyway, sorry about the car alarm, guys. I give the Kobalt 1.5 thumbs up. I really like it. I think the Kobalt line is expanding. It's getting a lot better, especially since they're coming out with the high output batteries and the newer bluer and blacker tools like the high torque impact wrench. I can't wait to get that. I am going to pick it up. We're doing a lot more Kobalt tool stuff. As for the Ryobi, you know, she's tried and true. It's Ryobi. Nothing special. no frills. It's got a nice metal chuck. Nice metal chuck. I just don't like the handle on it. I mean, the Ryobi's not a bad hammer drill. I like it. I give the Ryobi, I give it 1 thumb up. Kobalt gets 1.5. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, leave them down below. I always try to get back to you. Don't forget, bump up the resolution on this video. It's shot in 4K, 60 frames per second. Hope you like the quality of it. Trying to upgrade the quality of my videos as well as the quantity. Here in Minnesota, it's like 45 degrees out. It's freaking beautiful out. I can't believe it. It was just 20 below like 5 days ago. Now it's 45 degrees out today. Gorgeous. Yeah, guys, until next time, you have a blessed day. See ya!